Hey everyone, and welcome back. Tracking customer conversations in Zendesk is all about using the right tools in the agent workspace. First, every interaction, whether it's an email, live chat, phone call, or social media message, becomes a ticket. This means all your customer conversations live in one central place. In the left sidebar, you'll find your views. This is where you organize your work. Use My Tickets to see what's assigned to you, pending for conversations, waiting on customer replies, and solved for recently completed tickets. You can also create custom views to filter by priority or specific customers. Click any ticket. To open it, you'll see the full conversation history in chronological order, including every reply, note, and attachment shared between your team and the customer. On the right side, there's a powerful feature called User Tickets. This shows you every single ticket that customer has ever opened, giving you full context before you even start replying. For team collaboration, use internal notes when responding to a ticket. You can choose between a public reply that the customer sees or an internal note that stays between your team. Use internal notes to share insights or ask for help without cluttering the customer's view. To bring in experts from other departments, use side conversations. This lets you loop in colleagues or external partners without adding them to the main ticket thread. Their input stays private and is only visible to your team. Finally, for reporting, Zendesk Explore gives you detailed analytics on conversation volume, response times, and agent workload. This helps you spot trends and improve your support over time. And that's it. With these tools, ticket views, internal notes, side conversations, and reporting, you can track every customer conversation and deliver exceptional support. If you use Zendesk, let me know your favorite feature in the comments. See you in the next one.